Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this Kubota SVL65-2 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything that I see, tell you everything that I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces, let you hear the engine, show you that the pins are nice and tight up front, show you the hydraulics are strong, lift the loader, dump the bucket. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer or a used piece of construction equipment or a used piece of ag equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our machines and find our videos, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, I don't have the year model yet on this one. I'm hoping to have it by the time I get this video uploaded. I do know it's a fairly late model machine, so hopefully I'll have that here in a little bit before I get the video uploaded. But it is cab, heat, air, pilot controls, high flow, 2-speed, hydraulic coupler. It does have front electric, a radio, and only 315 hours. So when I fire it up here in a little bit, you'll see these pins up here are nice and tight as they should be. Hydraulics are nice and strong. As I get up close to it here, you'll see this orange paint is still pretty bright. The loader arms are nice and clean, not a whole bunch of scratches. Decals look good. And like I said, pretty bright orange paint. If you're at all familiar with these, for whatever reason, these machines seem to fade out in a hurry. And this one is still pretty darn bright. Has some grease. This is just grease splattered here. Basically exactly how it came into us. Very clean back here. Take a look at the tracks. It does have the D-lug pattern. I'm gonna say we're at least 80% or so tread life. I think I'm being very fair. Those bars is kind of hard to see here, but they are nice and deep. Lots of tread life left there. Not all weather checked, a couple little scratches, nicks here and there, but not bad at all. No big gouges, no weather checking. Sprockets on this side are very good. Lots of life left there. As I scoot back, you'll see the side rail here on the undercarriage still retains at least 90% of the original gray paint. And back here on the side of the frame, it's not all scratched up. There's a few little scratches, but still pretty darn nice back there as well. Same thing back here. This corner back here is very straight. That decal's in good shape. Paint's not peeling bad down here. It's got a couple little spots where it's got a couple little scratches and a couple little nicks in the paint here. But overall, very straight. Back here, looking at the back door is pretty good. Maybe just two of those little fins right there just bent just ever so slightly, but the door's pretty straight. No big dents or dings in that. Couple scratches here, but it's not smashed in or anything. Couple scuffs in the paint here, and a little bit of a dent there. Back of the cab, everything looks good there. That bar looks pretty good. Back here, looking at this corner, again, looks pretty good. Got some scuffs here in that paint, couple spots here where there's a couple little scratches. I don't know how well you guys can see it. I know it's where the sun is right now, kind of casting a shadow over here, but pretty straight. Decal's got a couple little scuffs in it. Looking at the tracks on this side, they match up really well to the other side. Lots of tread life left here. Again, no weather checking or anything, no big cracks. Sprockets, lots of life left there. And again, this side rail of this undercarriage still retains a lot of that original gray paint. And again, on the side of the frame, pretty darn nice in there for a used track machine. Back in here looks good. Take a look at the loader arms. This is all just grease that's splattered around. They were not afraid of grease on this one, which is a good thing. That kind of keeps pins nice and tight. Couple little scuffs here in the paint, but I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the loader arms or the back of the skid steer plate. Nice heavy low pro bucket here. It's got a real good cutting edge on it. I don't see any big dents or dings or bows in that bucket. It's in really good shape. Cutting edge is really good, as you can see there. Lots of life left there. Go back here and show you what I can in the engine compartment. Can't see a lot very well on these, the way they have them packed in here. But we can look up close. That radiator looks in good shape. All the fins are pretty good. There's a couple little, one little spot right there where there's just a couple fins that are bent just a little bit. Show you what we can see up here. Obviously it's pretty hard to get in here. I can't get very far in with this camera set up, but everything's pretty darn dry in here. I don't see any oil or diesel running down anywhere. I know you guys can't see it very well, but everything looks pretty good on top there. Fins on that cooler up top look good. Go take a look at the cab, operator station. Up here, pretty darn nice. These shields are in decent shape. There's a couple scratches on them, which they're just serving their purpose there. A couple little scuffs and scratches down here. All the glass is good. I don't see any cracks in any of the glass or spider webbing anywhere. That step's in good shape there. Floor mat's in good shape. It's got a little dirt on it from me climbing in and out of it here today and running it around. Seat's in really good shape. Bottom cushion's good. I don't see any cuts or tears there. Backrest, again, same thing. Really good shape there. Not seeing any cuts or tears. Radio, as you'll see here, all this plastic in here is in really good shape. Nice and bright still. Not all faded out. All the buttons on this side are in good shape. Joystick on this side, everything's in real good shape. All the toggle button switches. Protective boot down here is good. Same thing over here. This joystick's in really good shape. All the toggle buttons are in good shape. That protective boot's in good shape. Buttons down here, everything looks good. Like I said, 315 hours. Hour meter does work. And as you can probably hear in the background, the radio works too. Looking at these cylinders from up here, everything looks really good. I don't see anything that's been cracked or busted or welded or plated anywhere up here. Hydraulic coupler works like it's supposed to. Got your 5 fittings for your high flow. Alright, like I said, it's an SVL65-2. Lots of photos on our website. That's listed down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. Get these doors shut, we'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.